Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing a remote control helicopter. This helicopter price 499 rupees. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So cut this tape and unbox the helicopter. The box packing is not bad, it's normal packing. Helicopter build quality is very good. In the box receive a charging cable and remote control. This battery is not provided in the box. Remote control working properly. Switch on helicopter. Very little size switch. Remote working properly. This way you turn off helicopter or land helicopter. This is AI remote control helicopter, so flying quality is not good. Like, comment, share on this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.